Hello everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 2, that is the sentence. First of all, let us see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that conveys complete sense. Group of word means two or more than two words, but sometimes even a single word can be considered as a sentence if it is a main verb. That is come, go, sit, drink, etc. because it conveys complete sense. Also, a sentence should convey complete sense. That means it should give some meaning or some sense to a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. Let us see examples of a sentence. I go to school every day. Where is my English book? Hooray! We won the match. In all the three sentences, it is beginning with a capital letter and ending with either a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. Also, they are giving us complete information, so they are examples of a sentence. Let us see some of the examples that are not the sentences. Love, mother, children, the. Market go, I to the. Work hard, you should. In these three sentences, they are not beginning with a capital letter nor ending with any of the full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Also, they are not giving us any information or any sense. So these are not the sentences. Now let us study about types of sentences. Children, there are four types of sentences. Number 1, declarative sentences. Number 2, imperative sentences. Number 3, interrogative sentences. And number 4, exclamatory sentences. Let us study in detail about declarative sentences. The sentences that give us complete information about something or someone are declarative sentences. They ends with a full stop. For example, English is my favorite subject. I go for a morning walk. He loves his dog. All the three sentences are beginning with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. Also, they are telling us or giving us some information about something or someone. That is why they are declarative sentences. Next comes imperative sentences. These sentences expresses a command, makes a request or gives advice. So these sentences are used to give command, request or advice to somebody. They ends with a full stop. For example, shut the door. Please give me some water. Don't eat too much. The first one is a command, the second one is request, and the third one is advice. Also, they are beginning with capital letters and ending with full stop. So, such sentences which are used to give command, request, or advice are imperative sentences. The third one comes interrogative sentences. These types of sentences are used to ask questions and they end with a question mark. So when we are asking question to somebody, they are known as interrogative sentences. For example, where do you live? What are you doing? How are you? In all the three sentences, we are asking questions from somebody. These sentences are beginning with capital letter and ending with a question mark. So, they are interrogative sentences. And last comes exclamatory sentences. These types of sentences express strong feelings or emotions. Now, feelings and emotions can be of joy, laughter, sorrow, happiness, or angry, or some any other feeling. These always ends with the exclamation mark and this is exclamation mark. Let us see some of the examples. What a nice car. How pleasant the weather is. Wow, what a nice movie. In this, the sentences are beginning with capital letters and ending with an exclamation mark. All the three are expressing the feelings. So, these are exclamatory sentences. Now children, let us study how to make any sentence a negative one. A sentence that has not in it is called negative sentence. So children, it is very important to add not in any sentence to make them negative. Also, not is placed between helping verb and main verb. For example, David is not working hard. They are not enjoying the party. I am not playing in the park. We have added not in all the three sentences to make them negative. Also, not is placed between helping verb and main verb. Same here, helping verb and main verb. So, to make the sentences negative, we have to add not in them. Now let us see what are contracted negative forms. The word contracted means short. So children, contracted negative forms means short forms of the negative. So when we have to make the short forms of the negatives, it is known as contracted negative forms. Let us see some of the examples. Is not in short form, but if we have to make it in short form, then it becomes isn't. Are not changes to aren't, have not changes to haven't, has not changes to hasn't, and will not changes to won't. Similarly, we can change any of these helping verbs in contracted forms like this. Hope you have learned a lot and you will practice more.